think you can pronounce these two words correctly? Cup and cap. Cup uses the short U sound You hear it in words like cut, fun, and butt. Try it with me. Cut, fun, butt. This sound often gets confused with a much brighter vowel sound, the short A in cat, cap, and bat. It's a tiny difference, but one small vowel can change the whole meaning. So let's practice. Cup, cap, luck, luck. Can you hear the difference? And there you have it. I hope you found this tip very useful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tutorials every week.